So I find the concept of college subcultures to just be fun. I would argue that there's another one that's being developed, which is the online college subculture, because this is certainly assuming that everyone's on campus, but that's not the case anymore. But this has traditionally been the four subcultures you'll find in college. So what's called the collegiate subculture, this college life centers around sororities, fraternities, dating, drinking, big sports events, and campus fun. And academics are secondary. So it's very common at large universities like the University of Kentucky, so that this is what you think of when you think of going to college there, is this kind of lifestyle. The vocational subculture is to gain skills and a degree to get a desirable job. These students are often also working long hours outside the classroom because they need resources for whatever variety of reasons, to pay for college, to pay for housing, to help pay for family issues. But so the primary focus isn't dating, drinking, having fun. Instead, it's to get what you need to get a higher income so that you can have the life that you want. The academic subculture is drawn to the world of ideas and knowledge. So these students are most interested in getting to know professors and being involved with academics. So they're interested in academic types of ways to connect to the university. So working on research with faculty, or doing, other kinds of creative projects with faculty. Honors programs clearly would fall into the academic subculture. And then there's the rebel subculture, and they're deeply engaged with the ideas, but they're also aggressively nonconformist. And what's interesting is these students, and I have met these students, there aren't that many, to be fair, but their performance can be very mixed depending on whether they like the class, whether they like the subject, whether they like the professor. So they're mostly just not gonna get along to go along, or go along to get along, but instead whether they'll go along if it suits their interests.